Well guys, I just got back from Walmart and I bought me this black jack 2.5 ton low profile service jack. My wife's got a flat on her Yukon and I decided I'd get a new jack and fix it myself. At the time of this video, this jack cost $60. One of the reasons I bought this jack, first of all, 2.5 ton is going to pick up any pickup or Yukon, Suburban, pretty much anything you want to pick up. But the lifting range is from 3.5 inches to 14.1/8, which, you know, on occasion you want to lift up something that's real close to the ground, like maybe a golf cart or something, maybe a four-wheeler that you ain't really got a lot of room. So that's why I picked this. So hey, let's take it out of the box and actually see what's in here. You're seeing this for the first time, just like I am. You know, there's the handle. There's the jack, and it comes with a little manual. Also has a 1-year warranty on it. But hold it up there. There's what it actually looks like. Handle just fits in right here. And right here is where you engage and disengage it, or lift and lower it, as you might want to say. So hey, I'm going to take you in there. I'm not going to make you watch me change the tire, but we'll go in there and we'll lift that Yukon, and then I'll change the tire and I'll turn the camera back on when I lower it, and I'll tell you what I think of it. It's a little dark in the garage. Hopefully you can see okay. Got it tightened down. It's on rollers, so let me just roll it up under and let's start lifting. All right, we lifted her right up and no problem. I'm gonna lower it back down just a little bit and I'll change it. Then we'll take the jack out and I'll tell you if there's anything I don't like about it. I always put a jack stand under there just for extra safety. All right, now let's let her down. Take the handle out, put it in the little, looks like I need to add a little air to the spare. Well guys, this black jack 2.5 ton low profile service jack did everything I wanted it to do plus more. If you're just looking for a jack for around the house, you know, to lift your cars and pickups and four-wheelers and lawnmowers, stuff like that, hey, this is more than enough to do it. And $60 ain't gonna break the bank. So hey, hopefully this little demonstration helped you out. If it did, hey, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, I will catch you later.